Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by halting the problem fast. Enter /Gamarul do mob spawning false to stop further spawns, then run /kill at eType equals Minecraft, pillager to clear current pillagers. Make a quick world backup so you can revert if needed. Once done, keep do mob spawning off while you prepare the next steps. These commands are fast and effective. They buy you time to locate spawn sources and apply permanent fixes without being overwhelmed by patrols or outposts spawning new pillagers. Now focus on sources. Find outposts and common patrol routes within your active areas, up to 400 blocks. If you use server tools, apply a data pack or edit spawn JSON to remove pillager entries from affected biomes. This prevents future natural spawns. Alternatively, World Edit can delete outpost structures. While you prepare those permanent changes, re-enable do mob spawning only after lighting, fencing, or region claiming vulnerable zones to reduce unexpected returns. Finish by cautiously re-enabling mob spawning and monitoring the area for any pillager return. If they reappear, inspect raid triggers, villager gossip and village claim data that can summon illagers. Remove or reset those. For persistent issues, implement a blacklist using a server plugin or data pack to block the pillager entity permanently. One troubleshooting tip: if unexpected pillagers keep spawning, restore your backup and repeat source removal steps, focusing on nearby generated outposts and biomes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.